So this is the upcoming Bitaxe Gamma Hex. It's about to be released here from Solo Satoshi, and it is a 6-chip miner. It's got 6 BM1370's. Compared to something like the Nerd QX++ here that has 4 chips, the Gamma Hex has 6. And so it is going to be a little bit bigger here. Additionally, it's water-cooled instead of air-cooled. So we've got our fan right here. We've got our water cooling system right there on top of the 6 different chips. I noticed the UI for the display is a little bit different too. Stock, it's going to be running about 8.4 terahash, though they've actually set it up to be able to be overclocked. They said you're going to be able to push about 12 terahash. And in order to do that, there's a bunch of extra thermal headroom here under the water cooling block. The power supply, it's also a pretty monster power supply. It's rated for about 220, 250 watts or so in that range. So you've got a lot of headroom here to go ahead and overclock and push harder. Now they're expecting to release it under the $500 price point, and they said that after the show, maybe in about a week or two, once they ramp up production, they're going to go ahead and be able to launch it. Now taking a little closer look at it, you can see they've also made some changes here to the PCB. It's a lot cleaner. You're not going to be seeing a lot of chips here and whatnot. And spinning it around, they actually moved a lot of the circuitry here to the back of the PCB, which makes the front look better and also makes it easier for any sort of repairs and maintenance and stuff. There's also a new power supply connector right here. It is a 6-pin Molex connector instead of like the XT30 or XT60. And so it's going to be able to handle more current. And so that's also different compared to the XT30 connector that you can see here on the Nerd QX++ revision 7. And in terms of volume, it's actually surprisingly quiet. I've previously tested a Nerd QX+ Hydro, and that one was surprisingly noisy. With this one, it is noticeably quieter. It's a little bit noisy here in the show, but I was here earlier before it started and I could barely hear this thing going. So that's a nice upgrade as well compared to some of the previous water cooling systems I've tested.